What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I have a new unit installed and I did it at home. So we're about to get into this install that I did myself. Love the hair. Let's get into the unboxing now. Let's go. Alright, guys, I tried to come on camera as presentable as possible. I have my little scarf on, but the package is in. You know, when I get a DHL package, baby, we got a nice little box inside with a little unit. So I'm pulling her out. I see a little gold, little fine little package in there. Let's get it out, Jay. From AliPearl. AliPearl sent your girl over a new unit. This unit is extra long, baby, extra long. She's curly in a 28-inch, but let's get into what's in the package. You got some supplies, a little wig band, lashes. These lashes actually look cute, something to protect our wig when we're not wearing it. And yeah, so boom, so when I take the wig off, we can put it in there. I'm looking at it, it's 28 inches. I'm like, yes girl, yes, we want it extra long and curly. So now I'm about to get into like looking at the hair, inspecting the hair, like what is it going on, like what's the curl pattern like. I'm gonna give it a nice little touch, and then also the lace. We gotta check out the lace. But okay, so I'm running my hands through it, making sure she's all soft and fluffy. I really liked how she initially felt out the box, and now I'm like, okay, what's next? The next thing is the lace. What is it looking like? Oh, can we see? Yes, baby, we like lace to be melted, like it needs to be like butter. I take a look on the inside. The knots are bleached, which is perfect. That means that when I apply it on, I don't have to do too much. Already comes with a band in the back, combs in the back. So when I don't go to a hairstylist, like this is how I want my wig to show up at the door. Like this is what I feel comfortable applying. If I gotta do too much bleaching and all that other stuff, no, it needs to be pre-plucked, everything. Just so when I take that scarf off, like now, okay, it's coming off. Don't want to scare y'all. I do got braids, already braided up. Let's put her on. Okay, flip her back. What's she looking like, Jay? Ooh. Okay, straight out the pack like that. Yeah, straight out the pack like that. Scoot her back a little bit on that hairline. It's not really much that has to be done. You know, like, what am I taking to the hairstylist? Like, the knots are bleached, the hairline look good. I just have to do a little one too. Okay, so I had to get ready to do my one too. Not I had to whole switch sweatshirts and get comfortable. So I'm checking out the unit and I'm super excited about this. I'm like, oh, it's gonna look good. Now the hardest part about doing this at home is gonna be cutting your ear tabs. So I'm about to show you guys how I'm cutting the ear tabs. I'm basically gonna feel for my ear and I'm gonna cut straight up from the back of my ear to cut that lace off first. I'm so excited when I finally complete this because I'm like, oh, I'm seeing my ear, because I knew that I was gonna struggle with this. Okay, so cutting straight up, then from the side we're gonna like take some and like really just mark out where we want this to lay. So you're gonna want to use your eyes and feel with your hands on this. You're basically gonna cut like a moon shape around your ear, and then you're gonna get those ears free. That was really the hardest part about all this. Like the lace was perfect, the knots was bleached. I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit, but getting them ears free, baby, free. But once I did it, I was super excited, super proud of myself, and now she's ready to be laid down once those ears are cut out. So just take your time, be patient, be gentle with yourself, and once you do it, you're gonna be feeling good like me because you can see. So now I'm gonna go in with my lace glue and I'm going to just flip the lace back a little bit, feel where I want it to go. I have not plucked not a thing on this unit. This is how it came. So now I'm about to put this glue on my forehead so we can put this unit down. As you guys can see, the glue is on. Now I'm just waiting for the glue to dry because we want this glue to not be so white. You see that side on the other side, that's too white. It needs to basically be gone away. Okay, we want, you know, and so if you have to do a little touch up, just use some alcohol to get some spots off. You know, I just want it to be perfect because I was like, okay, I'm doing this at home. I'm feeling like a kitchen cosmetologist. And so once it's tacky enough, now I'm going to go ahead and scoop that lace up and melt her down.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? About all these panties, but I really don't wear none.
All right, guys, so this was my at-home install. Lace perfection. Pre-bleached knots. The hairline is already plucked. I really didn't do anything but like put glue on and cut the lace and cut my little ear tabs off so my ears show. And I was able to do this at home by myself. I have the link to this exact unit in the description box. The 28 inches is T. And I know that the weather is changing. However, I have still been hooked on the curly hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.